Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. This is your first video of mine. So today I'm going to be refilming one of my most popular videos and I'm super excited, but I'm going to be refilming my relaxed edges video, or my how I perm my edges video. So many of you guys love this video and a lot of you guys have subscribed to my channel from that video, and I get so many questions in the comment section asking me if I still use that method, if I still use that relaxer, and what I've been doing differently recently. And so one girl just eventually asked me to make an updated one. At first I thought it was kind of redundant because I thought, you know, the process is pretty straightforward, but a lot of things have changed, and so I went ahead to film this video for you guys. I just got like so much nostalgia for filming that video because like the first time I filmed it was literally on my iPhone 6, like I don't even know how many years ago. I was in high school. So I refilmed the entire thing for you guys, and this is how my edges look right now. This is how they turned out. I'm literally so obsessed with them. They look so good. I'm just wearing it with like a headbanded wig. So yeah, I talked about the benefits of having relaxed edges later, so I'm not going to get too into that, but I just want to thank you guys so much in advance for watching. If you did watch my original relaxed edges video, leave me a comment because I just want to see how many people, you know, are here from that. That's for this video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my new uploads. I love you guys, and I'll see you in a second. Hey guys, so I'm sure I already filmed an intro for this video, but I'm going to be relaxing my edges. So as you guys can see, I have my natural hair out. I just took it out of my cornrows. If you guys watch my, I don't know, it was one of my vlogs, like my holiday vlog or something, I got my hair trimmed, so that's why it has this shape. And I have to say, this braid out is really fire. But I just really want to talk to you guys about the relaxer that I've been using. But I love this relaxer, and I just had to take a second to talk to you guys about it. So this is the Soft and Beautiful Botanicals No Lie No Mix Texturizer. So this is actually a texturizer cream, and I don't have the original packaging, so I'm just gonna go ahead and leave a picture of the box. But basically, it's a no mix relaxer, so you can literally just take your stick, use literally whatever you need, and put on your edges. In my last couple of how I relax my edges videos, obviously like I had to like mix the relaxer and stuff, so the part that I didn't use always ended up getting wasted. So I love that this one's no mix, and it's a super small container, so you don't need to buy a whole big box of relaxer just to be doing your edges, you know what I mean? Soft and Beautiful Botanicals, the neutralizing shampoo. So this is just the one that came in the box with the this relaxer. I just can't get over how good my hair looks right now. So I'm about to go put my hair up, and then we're gonna get right into relaxing our edges. Okay guys, don't judge dandruff. I'm about to wash my hair. I'm going to take a little bit of Vaseline, and I'm going to use it to protect the skin like on my forehead. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that, and I'm going to just apply it to directly in front of my hairline. This is so important because you're going to be laying your hair like on top of the what the fuck is it called, on top of your forehead. So if you don't have this Vaseline to protect it, the relaxer will burn your skin. Okay, and then once you've gotten your layer of Vaseline, you're gonna take a small tooth comb, and I just like to comb out like the part of my baby hairs that I actually like lay. Like I don't like to relax deep into my hairline like I did with my other video. I feel like I'm gonna need a mirror because I can't see in this viewfinder. So I just comb all of that forward. Not really comb, but like brush it forward. I like to take a little bit this is optional, but I like to take a little bit extra at the sides because it allows me to like do like the little sideburn side swoop thing. So once you've got your edges laid down, you're gonna take your no mix relaxer. I'm gonna take a clean popsicle stick, and I'm literally just going to take what I need and apply that straight to my edges. I'm gonna start with the kinkier parts of my edges, which is like at the sides. The middle is like straighter than the rest of my hair, so I'm gonna do these sides first, and I just kind of like paint over it like I'm doing icing on a cake. And even for me, especially now that I wear like more closure wigs and not as much frontals, I can just pull out my natural edges and blend it into my wig, and it's no issue. I'm going to take my fine tooth comb, and I'm gonna like comb it out. But there's a certain way I'm gonna do it. So I'm sorry if you guys can see me applying the relaxer before. I'm gonna try and be closer. I just like pick it off my forehead, and I like comb it like that. I'm not like scraping it against my head because I feel like that's gonna cause a chemical burn. Ideally you put like a bonnet or something over the rest of your hair so it doesn't like get on it, but I just can't be bothered. And then I go with the smooth side, and I kind of like smooth it down. very, very, very gently, you guys. I'm like barely pushing on this because you have to remember these are baby hairs. They're not like grown hairs. And so normally I would leave this to sit for 5 minutes, but because this is just a retouch, I'm gonna do 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So I just set my timer for 3 minutes and 30 seconds, and then I'm going to wash with my neutralizing shampoo. For those of y'all who are new to relaxer, with neutralizing shampoo, you're just gonna keep washing it until it turns white. This is so random. Like, I just wanted to touch on this, but I got so much, like, I don't want to say hate because it's not that deep, but I got so many negative comments on my last relaxer video. People were like, oh, she hates herself, she wants to be white, there's nothing wrong with having 4C hair. It's so crazy how people misconstrue what you say. It doesn't mean that there's anything wrong with being, like, I don't know, I just feel like people should be allowed to do what they want with their hair. Do you know what I mean? Like, just because I choose to relax my edges doesn't mean I hate my hair. If anything, I wear my hair more when my edges are
2 weeks later.
Alright guys, just like in my last video, I forgot to record the clip, so this is 2 weeks later. I'm just showing you guys that my edges are still very, very fresh, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how I normally lay them. So I use Eco Styler gel and one of these like toothbrush comb things, like the two-sided ones, and it's really simple. I just basically like brush the gel on there. I really don't have to use a lot because my edges are relaxed, and I just swoop them to the way I want, I guess, so you guys can watch this very satisfying montage of me doing my edges. So yeah, you guys, that's basically it. I am obviously wearing my hair with a headband wig here, but thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys love this video as much as you love the first one. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments for me. Everything I use in this video will be linked in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and don't forget to subscribe.